Okay. Mike V, Power Hour. My Lord. Let's go to some charts. Let's go to TGH. Most importantly, snap in. You know what? Because today is actually the first day of the week, regardless of being Tuesday. So I would implore everybody that, first of all, got to go through fundamentals. There's a reason why 7-foot basketball players, do a half an hour layups. They're literally 6 inches from the rim, but they do it repetitively because they get into the muscle memory. Okay? Let's go back into some fundamentals. Then we can always get into something. Even though it's Power Hour, I apologize to those hardcore, everybody else. Actually, I don't. Never gets old. A couple of things to keep in mind as we get to the close, obviously, at 3 o'clock on a Tuesday. Over the weekend, been posting. SMCI, what a move. Always click to enlarge images, economic reports, Wall Street research, upgrades, downgrades, what's ever moving, what's ever going on. If it's moving, we're on it. And usually why? Top 15 growth names already. I said today 10. Opened up one. So don't be surprised if it gives back today. Scroll down. 50-day on the SPY. There's the weekly channel. Like I said, I implore everybody to do this at their own due diligence. Not much has changed, I would think, today. Some of the Mag 7 are down. Oils are up. Negates everything. Everything's been negated. That's why it's been neutral. When you have stocks like Pepsi imploding and Coke going the other way, stocks like Hood did a parabolic and Planeteer, but yet Microsoft can't muster a dollar rally. Literally. Tariff drama, in my opinion. Why is this my opinion? Because the price action told me why to gain this opinion. Tariff drama has been a net positive, basically. I get things are moving around. CTA exposure and equities. Okay. They're a little bit more in the pool. I get it. But hence the rotation again. And maybe it happens in a couple oil stocks today. It's happening in GLD as a buying program, literally as we speak, underfunded in some ways. So it's a battle. Retail's getting bailed out, if you will, to a degree. Maybe not some of the Mag 7 or, the video. Well, the video's acting well. Some of these other things, but that's fine. Earnings for the week. And this is what I posted on Sunday evening. Tariffs. It's a battle between, and we have, I believe, Powell speaking tomorrow for a little bit. Goodyear Tire, one of our members, Jane Norm, coming across as we speak. More GT calls. GT calls. And that AAP went the other way. I got to talk about this. You think if they're buying Goodyear tires, they go to Advanced Auto Part and buy some water filters, but they don't. That's why sometimes the General Motors, they're hanging in there, but Ford, they don't care. I digress. It's a battle. Tariffs, earnings, Powell. Earnings, Powell, tariffs. It's a trifecta. So you got to box it. Be right on the right day. You do. And the VIX being so low gives you a chance. Now, there are very few reversals in the market lately. DAX pulling a 9. You could go over this old the video that I posted, but more importantly, Intel. No matter what type of trader you are. Obviously, I wasn't a very good trader because I'm not in it anymore. Price action, calls, correct sector, if you will. You have Intel doing this. You have AMD doing that. And by the way, that is what's going on. Intel's getting some parts sold by Taiwan 79. All right, there's Hood. Let's look at some other things. Hood. All right. Coming to a gapper. No problem. Price range, volume. Planeteer. I'm in that. Look at that. That's my Planeteer shorts today, right? 120. I posted it right here. And I covered it to deadline. You know what that was? That was luck. It is what it is. I'll take it. Another couple of things that worked into. Let's reflect. Grab one. There's no pullback. No big deal. The options worked over time. If you're an active manager like myself and looking at every tick, maybe got shaken out a little bit, but net it worked. Grab. You know what looks okay still? They like they. Who are they? You ask. Don't worry about it. Ribbon. All right, maybe. How's that guy with that guy put the six bones on the CRDO doing? How's he doing the other day? Everybody remember that? Guy stepped up and put 6 mil. Man, what a trade. I saw that my hair stood up. Still standing up. Okay, what else? A couple of things that worked. This again, I posted CRISPR. CRISP. 3-day move. 4-day move. Give it 4 days. Actually, you want to give it 4, let's give it 5. 38 to freaking 58, whatever it is. All right, coming into tonight, we have earnings. Stocks are taking flow now, not going to lie. Anything that's going out now, I mean, there are a lot of move, like, let me give another one. I1Q. Boy, that turned, just when you didn't know it, huh? What happened there? That was CCJ. Beautiful. That was the number one play. There were better plays, at least technically than I thought. I swear I haven't looked at it. That worked, now it's rally. How about Pepsi? Bear flag. Reversed. You know what? Some market sometimes has no memory. Next. Goodyear tire. You jump and scream if I have 40,000 Goodyear tire now. Percent gainers on the day. I don't feel it. I don't feel it. You know what I do? I have to point out. Look at this one. BlackBerry worked. That day, what, Friday, I thought, turning over, here it goes. Friday option expiration. Boom, went to the 6th, this BlackBerry. MAI halted, MAIA. Why can't I have this thing? I don't want it. Okay. Again, GWH, not interested. If it, see this volume, if it doesn't have at least 1 million by now, million, maybe 500,000, no, I'm only kidding. 1 million should be 2 million, but I'm cavalier. All right. SLDB was in news. WGS is the now stock. SMCI, I can't get this thing right. Long this all, it's SMCI. PCT ran, came back in. Bio, Oscar Madison. For anybody that knows who that is, I know a couple people know who that is. Good day move, came to moving average, made its move, get out. Oil, UNG. What's the situation here? Oh, hurts. Hurts to look at that. It's going to even hurt worse. Not done. But I will tell you one thing, I am long RSC. There it is. SU always looks good. Just sock this thing away no matter what goes, no matter what happens. Just sock this thing away. Somebody's taking this stock over. Hint, not investment advice. Or note, something's happening in this thing. I watch these calls go every day for years. Percent gain, percent losers in 60 minutes. I'll go to the board in a second. I'll get sexy. Percent losers in 60 minutes. My tea's getting cold. Cold. Percent gainers, 60 minutes. Intel, why not? That's it. I don't feel much. Got to look at those earnings though. Cold. If you sit, no, for those that know me, I have 127,000, Jim. I sold a lot of it. I sold 100,000. No, 100,000. 10. I sold 100,000. Brag. Let's get that. Let's not be narcissistic here. Onion. Nike had its day. You in that, Mikey? Ah, don't worry about it. No, I'm not in Nike, Mikey. Let's put some money to work. Let's put something to work here. Feeling. I wasn't feeling about 9 seconds ago. Now I'm feeling it. Newmont. The one. But you know what? God, this is coaches. This EMPH. Fizzler. That can keep going. Although it's EMPH, SCD is earnings. AUR. What's up here? With Jeff. Where are you on the AUR dip? That's where I sold it. The first sale was 854. Where are we in this thing? Nobody's oversleeping now. SMCI. Look at that thing. You go to the weekly. It's not the weekly's like the weekly RSI is like 58. Mike V. Look at that one. I should be right. Look at the week. Not even close. Trade it now. But I mean, my God. AACHR, great sale, Mike V. Onion, GLD, CVS. This is the one to pull back a little bit. Actually, I don't know. I'm reaching. Where's Planet there? I'm short more of this bastard. There it is right there. Come on. How much am I short? Planet there. I made good money at this movie short, didn't I? I made 19,000 in it? No, 3,000 in it. I was short 200 Planet there. You know what? No. It's a bad example to set to the family. Bad example. I'll do it when you're not looking. Oh, look at this. Oh. Well, it was the one stock you said, gentlemen, that I said was coiled still. I bring up a lot of things. This Schlumberger. There it is. You know where the big boys are going to hit, they told me? 40 fucking 4. And we'll be right there in with them. Telling you. Telling you. Okay, I digress. DuPont taking calls. DuPont taking calls. Still going. The chemical sector. Let's look at a couple of other things. NKTX. No, NTNX. They said they got their eyes on today. NTNX. Check to see if these are. I don't like it. Weird feeling. Planet here. Boom. Smart route. Peggy. Peggy. This is where I made some money. I made like 80,000 in Peggy today, didn't I? How much am I making Peggy today? Peggy Sue. Where's this freaking thing? I made money in Peggy Sue today. I only made 50,000 in Peggy Sue. You know what? This stock this morning was 24. I get up at 410. I say, I don't want to get to 4 exactly. Let things settle. At 401, the stock was $24. At 410, it was 18. That was like I had 16,000 long. It was I've never hit a snooze button in my life, but that was a 10-minute down tick. Cost me I'll show you literally. A real lesson. Yeah. Peggy Sue. And this is me right here. I'm selling like 16,000. I actually sold it kind of well. You know what I mean? Still. Anyway, Peggy, so 24.17. There it's 18. I'm selling literally 8,000. 8,000 Peggy. Says my 7,000 at 4:12 a.m. 401, it was what? 24. Even if I freaking hit the bid for $1 lower, 10 minutes cost me 50,000. 10 minutes has cost me more than that in my life, though. I digress. That's for TGH after hours. You know what, Jeff? It is. And I have one of my a member in the room here, a guy that I would actually give money to, is in LA. And I can't get up in California either because it's not that I would get up early, it's that I would go to bed. I can't do it. I can't do it. I tried. No, I didn't try. It just doesn't fit how I'm wired. I appreciate people that even try. I do. Time's the market open, 9:30. So doesn't open. All right, well, let's do that at someone else's time, different time. I can't have time to work out my charts. Let's go back to option flow, the closer. NBIS, DuPont, EQT, this wolf they're bringing up, this wolf speed. I'm here whisperings of. It's like a semi. You having a hell of a comeback. Let it come back. What happened here? The small one they're talking about, INDI. AUR is ripping as we speak, Jeff. You're buying it. Just buying AUR. You didn't even let me a chance to get in it. That's not nice. Meta winning streak comes at 20 days. 19 days in a row. Don't bet against streaks. Trust me. Just trust me. It's like it's if you're sitting here listening to this, it's as equal as not running without. It's like running without scissors. Don't run with scissors. That's how the one thing you do. I can't rest until I get this 9:30. Can't rest. Grab. There they are. Trend Spider. All right, I'll let you go. Bill Ackman's and HHH, Henry Hughes, TradeGATEHub, tweeting as we speak, and across all the platforms. Well done, Jose, Team TGH. Gold lease rates have taken off. Okay? That's for cocktail conversation. My wife walks in the door, I'm going to say the freaking, I just got to get it out of my head. If you know the lease rates are taking off, she'll know what I mean, too. It's in finance. Silver Lake and talk to buy Intel unit. Carvana. Carvana has earnings, doesn't it? I don't know because my charts don't work. Let's go to the screen. Let's go to the videotape. What's going on? See what's going late here. Top left is what's breaking high in my generic scanner. Peggy Sue. Should we get in this Peggy Sue? Does this pull a late move? It's bearish when they have an open like this and then they stay flat. Slob. BBIO back in the fund. Bio. BBIO. Nice stock. I like that. Hem, no bounce, still down 8. EMPH breaking higher. NXT Fizzler still no bounce after 4,000 upgrades. AHR goes with Wolf. I looked at it before. I don't want to. Oh no. AHR. That goes with Wolf. Those two. Missed it. You know what I mean? I missed it. I'm not paying up for this rat. It is a semi. CRDO has that guy sitting right now. Nice trade, by the way. I know you're on here. AGQ could have been someone. Would take it off if I would. Mag. Good sale, Mike V. If I didn't, for those that don't own Mag, this may own it. Mick, what do you think about taking some off here? Maybe you think about it. Boeing, that was the second quarter trade. That was the third quarter trade. GDS, IoT, could have been someone. That was my last post on Friday was IoT. Wow. Then I went again. IoT. Wow. Not in it. All right, let's see about the close. Cheers, everyone.